Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thank you for your thumbs up, and I'm here to cook baked chicken. I already cleaned up my chicken. This is leg and thigh. I already cleaned it up with vinegar and lemon juice. Looking very nice. See it? So I'm going to bake it. Alright, first, I already cleaned it up already. I'm going to add my season to my chicken. I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put 1.5 teaspoon of Mr. Dash. Yes. This is all-purpose season. 1.5 teaspoon. And garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And this is a mixed season. 1 teaspoon of mixed season. And before I rub it up, I have these with it. My pepper, my tomato, my garlic, my scallion, and my onion. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put these in the blender. Okay? And I'm going to bake a potato. And this is from my backyard. Okay, I'm going to top it up with this. So, all right. I'm going to rub this up. Okay, I'm just going to put a tip of brown in, not much, because I have my sauce to make and I don't want to overpower it. So I'm just tipping a little brown in to give it a nice little color. Okay, my chicken is seasoned up and I already have my stove and 350. It's preheating right now, so I'm going to put my chicken in the oven. Okay, and I think I'm going to put it there. It's going to bake for like 20-25 minutes. Add my sauce and then I put it back in the oven. Okay, my chicken is in the oven and I'm going to make the sauce for it. I'm going to blend the onion, the pepper, and everything to make my sauce. I'm also going to add barbecue sauce and ketchup. Garlic. Okay, I'm going to put some barbecue sauce. Throw in half the bottle. And I'm also going to add some ketchup. I throw in a 1/4 cup. And I'm going to put some pimento seed. And I didn't put any Mr. Dash, so cayenne pepper. So add some cayenne pepper. And my thyme. Okay. I'm just gonna get a tip of water and add to it. Not much. Okay. I'm gonna blend everything together now. I'm gonna add a little tip of brown in to to get a nice color. Okay. Wait it for another little time. It was in the oven for like around 15 minutes. So I'm gonna add my sauce to my chicken now. You see, I just make my sauce. I'm gonna dip my chicken here. Back in my pot. Smell good. I'm gonna put it back in the oven. This is my Bok Choy. Okay. This is for my Bok Choy. And the onion powder and the mix with that. I had a tip of salt. Okay. I'm gonna pour my stuff in my pot. This is Bok Choy. You know, we don't cook Bok Choy for long. 2 spin in the pot and the Bok Choy done. Okay? I like when it go chowy. Okay. Little another 2 minutes and then I'm done. Okay, so this is my potato. I'm gonna have with the chicken and my Bok Choy, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Okay, so my chicken is in the oven, my potato is in the oven, and my Bok Choy is on the top of my stove cooking. Okay, I can turn off the stove from my Bok Choy now. Okay, very good. It's okay. Put it on again. Open my potato. I just baked this potato, and I like it when it's well baked. Okay. Oh, it look good. Okay. I'm gonna put a piece of butter here. Oh God. Basically. Baked chicken, my baked potato, and my steamed Bok Choy. Okay? Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching.